Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I've switched a little bit of my equipment, and my face is looking pretty blue. But I'm not going to adjust anything until I've got a chance to check that, because I can also adjust my colors and stuff on my other monitor. But anyway, I'm not going to worry about that right now. Today's demonstration is going to be on a radio, AM/FM radio, out of a 1967 Corvette. It is a mono radio, and the customer has requested that we use his original connectors. It's a conversion. It's a modern conversion to modern electronics. Customer has requested use of the original connectors, which means only one speaker, and so you're not going to get that big power increase, the deeper bass and crisper side. It's going to sound roughly equivalent to the original radio's electronics. So let's go ahead and turn her on to make sure everything works. I read the paper in bed. And I'm just going to run it down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations. I got to keep the stations really short so I don't get nailed for copyright stuff.
Offering a range of coverage and...
Nice, that's drink.
Until the other side. Unprecedented times. Pastor David Guzik and our...
Iron Springs Road.
To give me two. About on the get the bus.
Service of certified transmission.
So I walk in.
Is on the table there, sir.
Okay, I counted about 30, 31 to 32 FM stations. Just make sure the tone control still works. We're all the way treble. Go to bass. So we know that's working. Okay, going to switch to AM, and then we get 2 weak stations around here. One stronger station's about there. So let's see how that works out.
19 safety procedures.
1,
What if the
2, and then our strong station comes in right about now.
7 days a week, 2 locations.
And there's our strong station.
Flagstaff or online at
And that's it. There's nothing more to test. That's when the customer requests the original connectors and it's a single speaker system, there just isn't that much to test. We will make sure that the dial lamp still comes on when we turn the radio on. Okay, and you can see a little light peeking in there. So you often can't see it on the dial because it's diffused, but you can see that light turns on and off with the dash lighting connector connected. So that concludes the test. On this radio, it's the speaker wires are actual wires. The solid green is hot. The black with the yellow stripe is ground. That has to be observed. You cannot hook this speaker up backwards or the radio's not going to work, because one side of the speaker is grounded on this car. So if you hook it up backwards, then you're going to ground the hot signal, and the ground's going to be sitting there doing nothing. So that's our speaker wires on this particular radio. And then our connector has hot, ground, and dial lighting as the connectors, and it's going to just plug right back into the customer's car. So on that happy note, I'm going to get out of here and get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I guess there wasn't a whole lot of noteworthy stuff on this radio because it works pretty much exactly as it did when it was working before. I've just done a modern internal conversion on it for reliability to increase the FM sensitivity, selectivity, and stuff like that. So, and now we've got a reliable radio for the next 20 years. So, my website is in the description below, and if you need to reach me for repair work, my number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and this comes from Eric in Yucaipa, California. I think I neglected to mention that. It is out of a 67 Corvette from Eric in Yucaipa, California. Thanks for your business, Eric. Thanks, everybody, for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.